Discovery Kanglipakpu Mieng Tabiri Basingbu Nangaling Komna Taram Noksari Dalit Saide Academy Manipur na Khalaklaba National Amadi International Awardee Singi Maming Pareng Lauktoksari Saliba Sahi Asigi December gi Tang Taramathoi Amasung Taranithoi da Panchashil Ashram Delhi da Pangthokadaba Bharatiya Dalit Sahitya Academy gi 53 suba Kumon Thoramda Amadi December Thagi Aroiba Sayolda Kathmandu Nepal da Pangthokadaba International Conference da Jati Amadi Antarjati Thaki Tongan ba Hiram Singda Singthaningai Oiba Thabak Thoram Tawbagi Mana Pinaba Khalakpada Manipur dagi Mioi Kayamuk Yorokle Yoroklaba Singadudi Bharat Ratna Dr. Ambedkar B.R. Ambedkar Distinguished Service National Award 2021 da 21 gi Khalaklaba Mioi Singdi Mayang Lambam Surbala Devi Top Awang Lekai Social Worker Pradhan Dr. Maibam Itin Maitai Thawal Khetri Lekai Ophthalmic Technician and Social Activist Manibabu Likmabam Maklang Social Worker Different Fellowship National Awards 2021 gi Khalaklaba Mioi Singdi Srimati Irom Surup Usarani Devi Top Awang Lekai Education Literature Okram Kunjo Singh Thawal Ningombam Scriptwriter Irengbam Samchan Singh Bambon Kampu Art and Culture Panjawam Lanajit Singh Kasamthong Social Activist S.K. Apanba Tauthong Aphaiba Lamsang Social Activist Elangbam Parshuram Thawal Pung Artist Mani Singha Bitar Gangapur Kasar Pandit Maisau Khetrimayum James Singh Kasamthong Media Service Numaitem Iboton Singh Kumbi Social Activist Parembam Ibungo Singh Moirang Patlau Men Health Worker Ngangom Babita Devi Sarangpat Social Worker Director Pony TV Ngangom Malem Nganba Singh Athokpam Social Worker Dr. Umabati Athokpam Sanjenbam Education Literature Irom Ongbi Lata Devi Thauban Handloom and Handicrafts Different National Awards 2021 gi Khalaklaba Mioi Singdi Moirangthem Yaima Thangmaiban Not Sankitran Isai Akoizam Ibomsa Wangkai Pung Artist Naurem Diju Leitong Pasoi Thangta Konthauzam Ruhini Kumar Konthauzam Thangta Nahakpam Ruhit Maitai Maibam Bamdiar Philosophy of Thangta Irom Lalit Kumar Kasamthong Pena Oinam Pinky Tera Dance Music Wangzam Robin Kekman Social Worker MD Musibula Lilong Editor Publisher Moirangthem Ibungo Taretkul Education and Literature MD Alauddin Sangayumpham Ayu Service Konsam Kumarjit Kangjabi Natural Dyson Textile Ahlas Mufi Abdul Kaikhu Social Activist Abujam Arun Kumar Maitai Pangantabi Social Worker Akoizam Narajit Maitai Yaripok Education Kayan Paibam Nirupama Devi Yaripok Social Worker Saugaizam Baba Moirangkhom Thangta Lorembam Bina Devi Singzamai Traditional Applic Artisan Dinesh Ngangbam Larigingbam Lekai Thangta Laimium Malem Nganba Tentha Marongban Art and Culture Nauraibam Bisojit Sagolban Art and Culture Laisram Guneswari Sanu Bamon Kampu Thangta Khuraijam Alia Devi Sagolban Theatre Worker Khuraijam Khedasana Sagolban Theatre Worker Waikhom Kalpana Sanu Kairau Bitra Thangta Brahmasari Mayum Sanjita Devi Khurai Saithabi dance, Thazamanbi Singangbam Kairang dance artist, Konsam Jiten Singh Khurai social worker, Sinam Jotin Wangjing social worker, Anthem Binod Maitai Saga Sega Road social worker, Yumnam Babit Kumar Wangjing social worker, Sokaijam Irai Laima Iroi Semba music, Sanasam Lanosa Wangu Ahalub art and culture, Thangjam Kingson Kumbi artist, Bishnu Latpam Prafullo Sharma Tronglaubi teacher, Brahmasari Mayum Tahibema Devi Brahmapur artist, Irom Ongbi Lata Devi Thawal Khetreleikai handloom and handicrafts, Larik Ingbam Kananbala Devi Khurai Singangbam Leikai social worker Pradhan, Mutum Maniton Khongjom Maning Leikai social and cultural activist, Moirangthem Jilangamba Taret Kul social worker, Ilangbam Parshuram Thawal Wangmataba Pung artist, Lorembam Rameswar Maitai Honorable MLA Kairao SC, RK Narayan Sana Devi Palace Compound literature and social worker, Neha Yumkhaibam Moirang Lamkhai Thangta, Nongsaibam Sanjit Yaripok Tokpokpi director, NK Group of Company, Irom Ongbi Lata Devi Thawan handloom and handicrafts, Samrai Latpam Kunjabati Sharma Yaripok narrative arts, Bimala Akoijam Thawal artist, Dr. Umabati Athokpam Sanjenbam Khunau education and literature, Rakesh Naurem Tentha social and cultural activist, Khangembam Lilasandra Singh Kumbi social worker Yaurokle, Delhi Amadi Nepal Dasatkadabasingna Dalit Sahitya Academy gi Mayai Loisangdagi Natraga mobile number 7005 780 Amadi 9402733491 Dagi Akupa Marol Khangbayagani. Pauzenjariba BK Mangang Secretary Dalit Sahitya Academy Manipur. Masigi iroinana ngasigi video si matang sida losinjare. Tabire ba khudingmakpu nongal lingkhomna amukana ikok nonjari.